My hair was very short and very weakened, until I threw these 3 ingredients to my shampoo. Hair loss at an early age is a condition no one wants to suffer. Women especially make it a nightmare to accept that they are losing their hair. And neither men nor women like the idea of balding. This can lower our self-esteem and be cause for our complexion. This condition is known as alopecia and is more common than we think. This can be triggered by stress, anemia, poor circulation or hereditary issues. Its effects we begin to notice when, after combing, there are a lot of hairs in the brush. If we notice that our hair is growing weak or that we are throwing them, we must act fast. If we stand idly by, there may be no turning back. It is true that we will not be able to recover the already lost hairs, but we can strengthen the present ones. In this way, we will combat alopecia and prevent hair from falling. Although we can go to specialists to address the problem, your queries are expensive. In addition, the treatment we are subjected to can make us lose health and a lot of money. That's why we want to show you a homemade shampoo that will give strength and vitality to your hair. Pay attention to the following instructions on how to prepare it. Ingredients: neutral shampoo 1 bottle, lemon essential oil to taste, vitamin E various capsules, lavender essential oil to taste. Preparation and use: 1. The first thing we will do is take some of the shampoo out of the bottle to make space. Now, we'll throw both essential oils into the shampoo. Then perforate the vitamin E capsules and pour the liquid into the bottle. What we have left to do is close the bottle and shake it very well. 2. With this anti-fall shampoo we must wash our heads daily, that is, leaving 1 day in between. Like any other shampoo, we should apply it with dampened hair. With it we massage the scalp for approximately 10 minutes. Then we will rinse with plenty of warm water.